The woman put on the pajamas her husband bought for her. She wanted to surprise him, but didn't know her husband had brought friends home. The man quickly coughed to signal her, and his friends even covered their eyes. Hearing other noises, the woman shyly ran back to the bedroom. The man immediately sent his friends away, then called the woman at the bedroom door. The woman didn't relax until she was sure no one else was there, but the man saw she was so embarrassed she wasn't even wearing shoes. Afraid his wife would catch a cold, the man picked her up and gently put socks on her. He also told his wife to never walk barefoot again. The woman was very touched by her husband's care and consideration. When the man's mother learned he had gotten married, she immediately went to his house, but she didn't recognize the wife. She mistook her for the maid. The wife was afraid her mother-in-law would think she wasn't good enough for her son. She tried to explain the situation but didn't have time, so the wife left the living room. Shortly after, the man returned and his mother excitedly asked to meet her son's wife. At that moment, the woman entered the living room and the man said that was his wife. The woman was so nervous she dropped a glass and it broke. To make matters worse, when she bent down to pick it up, she cut her finger. Seeing his beloved wife's finger bleeding, the man rushed to her, showing great concern, but the mother still praised her son for caring so much about the maid. However, seeing the loving look in the man's eyes toward the woman, his mother had already realized everything. The next second, the man formally introduced her to his mother as the wife he loved. The man's mother saw the woman was very kind and that her son liked her very much, so she gave her daughter-in-law a jade bracelet worth $1 million. The wife wanted to refuse such an expensive gift, but after her husband's insistence, she reluctantly accepted. The mother-in-law was even more generous. She took the woman to the mall and bought all the luxury items the daughter-in-law deserved.